My life was actually in a terrible condition, my lord. I was facing a lot of issues, my lord, since my brother is a twin brother.
For whatever period that stay is operating, in that period he will pay 15,000.
Wisdom, my lord. The qualification should be mentioned at BCA, my lord. Yes.
The court observed that when he is in a position to pay legal fee of 1,50,000, apart from 10,000 as travelling expenses to his advocate, who is attending from Thane of Maharashtra for a sitting, but is objecting to provide maintenance to his wife and daughter. He has failed to pay the maintenance in spite of an order from the court. The court had passed the orders whereby the defense of the husband was tried for. He submits that even though she is fully qualified and she is in a position to earn, she is not earning, and the husband has his own obligations. He has to take care of the brother and the parents. So what is wrong in it?
My lord, now what I am stating, my lord, the consideration of she was actually working woman, my lord, prior to marriage.
Now, whether she is a working woman or not a woman, when there is an order of the court, unless and until that order is set aside, you have to comply with the order.
Yes, madam. Yes.
You have not complied with the order.
There
so
was
your defense is
yes, madam.
Yes.
Stuck down, my lord. What was problem was with me, my lord? One, I was supposed to challenge that order. First thing. The second thing is, my lord, my life was actually in a terrible condition, my lord. I was facing a lot of issues, my lord, since my brother is a twin brothers, my lord. We are, and even she's qualified, my lord, and she's qualified and she was working in some other place, my lord, and now she's stating that she's not working, and based on the factual errors, my lord, the court has considered that, my lord, and that's why what I was saying, my lord, I am ready to pay the arrears, my lord, whatever arrears this honorable court may say. I'm ready to pay, my lord. I may allow to.
That's what will pass a conditional order.
Okay.
Whatever during the pendency of this petition, this court has ordered 15,000 to be paid. So in between that period, 15,000 till today, it should be 15,000 and 25,000 from.
It's 25.
No interim order in this.
25. Huh? Your lordship confirmed it on the last application.
Huh?
25 was the order.
Where is the order? No, 25,000 will confirm. During the pendency of this petition,
yes,
you didn't have an interim order?
No.
No interim order?
Interim order was there, my lord. Interim order.
Saying that.
Saying
that payment of 25 was there.
Correct. That's what I'm saying. For whatever period that stay is operating, in that period he will pay 15,000 if at all there are any arrears. And from the date of petition, remaining period it would be 25,000.
Yes.
Yes, please come. And if you pay it with whenever you pay, then not whenever will be, you just give a timeline.
Yes.
If definitely. If you pay, then that will be.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That that this order will be set aside on that ground. Otherwise, it will.
Yes,
it will again. How much time?
1 month. 4 weeks time. 4 weeks time. My lord, one more submission, my lord. It's up to my lord's wisdom, my lord. The qualification should be mentioned at BCA, my lord. Yes, one submission.
Yes.
I have document.
What is she? She's 12th or she's BCA?
My lord, kindly pair my lord.
What is that?
Certified copy, my
that's
lord.
filed by you.
Certified copy wherein the invitation card, my lord. I'm not asking.
Invitation.
In that it is mentioned, my lord, BCA. Her qualification is mentioned. His qualification is also mentioned, my lord.
That I'll record.
Record.
Agreed with the order. Passed it. I number 2 and MC number 3, IA number 2 and I number number 2 and also an order passed on the memo dated 6/4/2023. The petitioner husband is before this court. The wife had filed MC number 363 of 2022 seeking divorce. In that she has filed I number 24 seeking interim maintenance at rupees 25,000 per month. It is the case of the wife that the marriage was solemnized on 19/5/2019. And out of the wedlock, they were blessed with a daughter who is aged 2 years and who is with the wife. The husband is working as a manager at Smart City, Devangere, and getting monthly salary of rupees 80,000. He has failed to take care of both the daughter and the wife. And she sought for a interim maintenance of 25,000 per month. Next, the husband had filed his objections and he stated that his salary varies from 59,599 to 65,778, subject to deductions. In that, he has given his deductions and his personal expenses. The court has observed that he has shown his personal expenses as rupees 600 per month, as personal expenses as rupees 600, hair cutting rupees 1,200 per month, for shaving and head massage. No, it is like 600 per month for a hair cutting, 1,200 for head massage and shaving, 1,50,000 as legal fees, 10,000 as traveling expenses of his counsel for hearing. The court observed that when he is in a position to pay legal fee of 1,50,000, apart from 10,000 as traveling expenses to his advocate, who is attending from Thane of Maharashtra for a sitting, but is objecting to provide maintenance to his wife and daughter. The court has observed that even as per the husband, his income varies from 59,599 to 65,778. Court had granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 25,000 per month from the date of petition till further orders. And court has also observed that the husband shall pay arrears of maintenance in 2 installments on or before 30th April 2023 and shall pay interim maintenance on or before 7th of every month. Thereafter, when the husband had failed to pay the maintenance, the wife had filed a memo dated 6/4/2023 to strike out the defense of the husband. The court has considered the order that is passed by the court, granting interim maintenance, and also the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court in case of Kaushalya versus Mukesh Jain, passed in Civil Criminal Appeal number 1129-1130 of 2019, and also a judgment of the Kerala High Court in case of Shaju SHYJU PK versus Nadira in MAT Appeal number 173 of 2015, wherein the Honorable Apex Court has held that where the husband failed to comply with the orders of order for deposit of arrears and month-to-month installments, it will be open to the party to apply before the family court to get the defense of the respondent to struck off. Accordingly, as he has failed to pay the maintenance in spite of an order from the court, the court had passed the orders whereby the defense of the husband was strike off. The next part, then counsel for the petitioner husband submits that the wife she completed, though it is stated that she studied 12th standard, but she is a BCA graduate. He submits for that, he places before the court the marriage invitation, not necessarily the marriage invitation, where her qualification is shown as BCA. he submits that even though she is fully qualified and she is in a position to earn, she is not earning. And the husband has his own obligations. He has to take care of the brother and the parents. As such, he is not in a position to pay the maintenance. Then maintenance. On further, on striking of the pleadings of the husband, he submits that whatever are the arrears, whatever that is determined by the court, within a period of 1 month, he'll be paying all the arrears, and regularly he'll be paying the maintenance to the wife. Next part. Then counsel appearing for the respondent submits that, like the girl, as on the day this petition is filed, is just 2 years old, and as she has to alone take care of the baby, it is difficult for her. She cannot work. That apart, she has just completed her 12th. She has only studied till 12th standard, and she cannot secure any job. And as such, it is a responsibility of the husband to take care of the wife and the daughter, which the husband had failed to discharge his obligation. It is submitted that the court had rightly, basing on the memo filed by the respondent, has struck off the defense of the husband as he has failed to comply with the orders of the court. It is submitted that the writ petition is liable to be dismissed. Next, having heard the concerns on either side, peruse the material on record. The relationship with the parties and the income of the husband is also not disputed, which is varying between 59 and 65,000. Which is varying from 59,599 to 65,778, admittedly, by the husband. The only ground that falls for consideration before the court is about that the wife can earn, and wife is educated, she can earn, and he has family to support, and the 25,000 he will not be in a position to pay. Both these grounds that are raised by the husband have no legs to stand, for the reason the wife had even without going into the aspect of her education, she has a small a child to take care of, and she cannot be expected to work hence that the contention cannot be considered. Then, with regard to taking care of his family and other things, what has been placed before the court, and what are all his expenditures that are shown, how lavishly the husband is spending, and how much he's paying for the advocates. Looking at that, the court had rightly come to the conclusion that the wife is entitled for maintenance of an amount of rupees 25,000. Hence, this court finds no reasons to interfere. Next, coming to the memo filed, the court had rightly struck off the defense of the husband. When an order is passed by the court, unless and until the same is set aside, modified, or stayed by an appellate court, the husband has an obligation, and the party, not the husband, the party has to comply with the said order. And without, and as he failed to comply with the order, court had rightly struck off his defense. However, considering the submission of the learned counsel that now he's ready to pay all the arrears as fixed by the as this court, basing on the maintenance fixed by this court. Accordingly, the arrears would be calculated, and he would be paying the same. This court deems it appropriate to pass the following order. 1. As far as granting of maintenance at 25,000 is concerned, the order of the court is perfectly legal and valid. Accordingly, that order of the court below, in IA number, what is that, 4 or 2? IA number 2 is upheld. Then when it comes to the memo dated, and after that, this court by interim order dated, Anita?
4-8.
Is that okay? This court by interim order dated
4-8.
starting. This court by interim order dated 4/8/2023 had granted stay on the condition that he should continue to pay. Nothing has been stated. Well, how much is the amount?
50 plus 50 was added.
You were saying that 15,
No,
There is no figure there.
then it can. This court on 4/8/2023 has granted interim order on the condition of depositing an amount of rupees 1 lakh, 1 lakh. The deducting the said 1 lakh right from the date of petition till today, till today, the arrears, not till today, till the next, till within 1 month from the receipt, then today, till today, all the arrears shall be paid within 1 month from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. If such amount is paid and he continues to pay 25,000 per month, the court below on such condition that on such condition the said order will be revived, and the court shall permit the defendant to proceed with the matter, the respondent husband. Yes.
much obliged.
Cell number 11. Somnath.